Hey everybody, it's Jack and the whole team from Atlantis Water Gardens. Wanted to say have a great holiday season. Happy New Year. Thank you for all your support throughout the year or even throughout the years if you've been here longer. From all of us at Atlantis Water Gardens,
thank you and happy holidays.
How's that?
Enjoy this video of all the fun we had this year in 2022. We have our full crew with us.
It's getting real now.
Could you have a little more of a delay?
My name is Borat. Yes, very nice. All right, this is the time you guys have waited for. Yeah, this is the time. Okay, so it's time to reveal.
We'll actually put a double-sided tape in, tape the two liners together in the solid.
Sorry. I'll do it again.
Nice, we got the seam done. We're gonna pull this board out from underneath. Get in here, start setting. Let's do it again.
We're gonna lay everything in a bed of mortar, get everything level and even. Square.
Hey, Jason.
Yes, that's my name. Speak to me.
Well, speak to the camera.
What would you like to know?
Well, Batman, I
am Pawman.
I'm curious what you think of the.
It's the best one yet.
Well, you can just relax.
No, it is. Everyone's the best one.
Just relax. I know it's a one-of-a-kind custom creation, but
it is.
I understand that.
And if you'd like to see more, follow us on our YouTube channel.
It's
Isn't that what we're
free.
supposed to say?
Push the button. Oh yeah. Out with the old.
Colby's always complaining how he can't see anything. Colby, I got you some glasses now you can see.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they like fit perfect.
That's perfect. Let me see.
Come on. No.
Yeah.
Colby, what's up?
What do you think of this one?
This one is, you're so close. This is the best one yet.
You can't say that.
Oh, I just did.
Well, it's raining, but we still love what we do.
On the first part. Oh.
Ooh, good catch. Drew's over here hooking up our skimmer. Bolivar is just finishing up a little bit of rock work here on this bottom pond.
And I'll give you $5 and you throw it on through.
I will slice you. I will slice you. I will slice you. All right. Woo.
Drew's real proud of his friend there. Okay.
That's all.
Let's move on. Right here. Oh. On the first part, why is this not focusing? On the first phase of this project, I had to bring in some extraordinary help, and it was in the form of one Brian Helfrich. I can't see you, you're all foggy. What's going on with my camera?
It's time for a new camera, bud.
You are way out of focus. I don't know.
Come over here.
Hey, Brennan.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So, Jack and I last night went rock hunting and didn't realize there was a light bar on top of that thing. Got in here, didn't just get stuck. We broke the tie rod which then made the thing totally inaccessible. So now Matt, our customer, is down here helping save his machine.
Guess we walk through this arbor here and see what's in the backyard. I guess we walk over here. Over here. Hey Ralph, where are we going?